So I've had an American Express card for a pretty long time, and I had no idea that they introduced a white gold card as a limited edition. I ended up with the red gold as a limited edition, and then they reintroduced it as a permanent option, probably due to the popularity. So I pay $325 for an annual fee, but I use all of the benefits and basically get my $325 back. So when I first opened the card, I'm trying to figure out what color is it? Is it platinum? It's supposed to be white gold, but I'm in the sunlight, so it's rose gold, it's white gold, it's rose gold, white gold, and I keep going back and forth. And depending on the lighting, the card actually gives me a different color configuration. So why did I order the white gold? I've thought about the platinum card for a while, and this is the new thing, but I have a hard time accepting a $695 annual fee for benefits that I'd probably never use. Here I'm doing a side-by-side with the rose gold at the bottom and the white gold at the top. And it's still, you could tell the rose gold is definitely rose-colored, and it makes an impression when you hand it to somebody. And I'm trying to get away from that. I've had the card for almost 40 years, so I don't need to make any more impressions. The one at the top, I don't know what people will think when they get it, because I like the benefits of American Express. I like the card. I really like dealing with them. It's been, 4 decades. So not sure. I have a decision to make of to activate the card, and I'm pretty sure I probably will. After making this video, I've convinced myself that it's probably worthwhile, and I'm pretty sure that I will activate the card. I'd recommend getting one. It's great. The benefits are great. They work really, really well for me. I can't 100% rule out getting a platinum one day in the future if I would use the benefits, but you only get a card. And this used to be a charge card, but now it's a credit card. But you only get a card if you're going to use the benefits and start a relationship with them. It's nice when you have a date like in the 80s on your card. A lot of people don't have that, and I think that's a nice feature. So try to get in or build a relationship early, and I think they'll stick with you for the most part. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.